A hard reset, or factory reset, on your Philips Sonicare toothbrush restores the device to its original out-of-box settings. This process erases all personalized configurations, including custom brushing modes, intensity preferences, Bluetooth pairings, stored usage data, timer adjustments, pressure sensor calibration, and learned battery patterns. After the reset, your toothbrush behaves exactly like it did when first purchased. Hard resets are especially helpful when dealing with Bluetooth pairing failures, repeated app disconnections, irregular vibration performance, syncing errors, or unusual battery drain. With newer smart models such as the Protective Clean 6100 and Diamond Clean Smart 9000, software glitches are more common due to advanced connectivity features, making resets an effective troubleshooting step. There are three main reset methods. The standard method involves placing the toothbrush on the charger and holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes. Premium models may require holding both the power and intensity buttons for about 20 seconds. Connected models allow resets directly through the Sonicare app under device settings. Always ensure at least 25 to 50% battery before starting and avoid interrupting the process. If multiple reset attempts fail, professional support may be required.